These are childhood dreams. It's how we used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams.
Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time on my channel, if this is your first time seeing me, you are absolutely welcome. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you a very simple hairstyle, very simple natural hairstyle that you can do by yourself at home, and that is what I'm rocking right now. That is what this video is going to be all about. So if you are someone who is looking for hairstyles to try with your natural hair, then you might want to try this out, because in my opinion, I feel like it is super cute and it is really easy. It's something you can do by yourself at home with the items, with the tools that you have in your house right now. So it's super cute. If you eventually find this video helpful, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's move right into today's video. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be doing this hairstyle on semi-dirty hair or semi-clean hair. My hair was not completely dirty and it was not completely clean when I wanted to shoot this video, when I wanted to create this hairstyle. Okay, so yeah, that's that for the state of my hair. Now the first thing I did was to part my hair in the front, because you know we are going to be twisting that part, and I really wanted my parting to be as neat as possible. I am someone who likes nice looking hair. You know, your hair has to be really neat, and you know, everything has to be looking really put together, and that is why I'm just trying to pay so much attention to my parting. My parting has to be really clean and neat. Okay, yeah, so I'm just taking my time to make sure that the parting is neat. And if you want to do yours too, I feel like it just makes sense to make your parting to be really neat, because it is something you want to wear out, it's something you want to wear to, you know, different places. Okay, yeah, so I'm just trying to make the parting in the V shape, like the inverted V shape coming towards my forehead, just as you are seeing it right now. Okay, yeah, so I also made the parts for the other side of the V shape, just as you are seeing it right now, and making sure that the pattern is as neat as possible. And then I just twisted that part just to move it away from, you know, from the rest of my hair, so I can focus on the rest of my hair, because we are going to be styling that part as well. Don't forget that this particular hairstyle is a low manipulation hairstyle. Like, I am not going to be combing my hair at all in this video. The only thing that I did that can be considered manipulation is brushing my hair, and that's because we are not going to be using any gel. So we just have to make sure that the hair is as neat as possible, because your hair needs to look really put together. Okay, so I went ahead to moisturize my hair just a little bit. I added some leave-in conditioner just to make it, you know, feel really nice to the touch, and just to, you know, make it moisturized. Okay, my hair was already moisturized before, but we are in a dry season right now, so my hair needs as much moisture as possible. Okay, so after moisturizing my hair, I just went ahead to brush my hair, and I tried to gather my hair into a high ponytail or a high puff, whichever one you want to call it, but it's more preferable to call it a high ponytail, because there's nothing so puffy about what I did here. Okay, yeah. Let me also mention that when putting my hair in this high ponytail, I made sure that it was quite firm, not too tight, not to like put so much tension on my edges, but I made sure that it was firm. And that's because I am not going to be using any gel. I wasn't going to use any gel on this particular hairstyle, so you have to make sure that it is really firm so that your hair can look nice. Okay, so I went ahead to braid down my ponytail, because this hairstyle is a protective hairstyle. Your hands has to be very protected, and that is the reason why I went ahead to braid my own hair, because we are going to be hiding that under a small extension. Okay, yeah. So I took this crochet hair. This crochet hair is actually a very old one, and it's so simple. I just wrapped it around my own braid. You see why it is important for you to braid your hair, but if you cannot braid your hair as well, it is fine. Just find a way to wrap the hair, the extension, around your own hair, just to make sure that your hair is well protected. But I would advise that you braid your own hair, because that way your hair is more protected than when you just leave your hands hanging like that. Okay, so there's no special skill required for this bun. Just wrap the hair around your own hair. If you have any crochet hair lying around your house, you can use that. This particular one it matches my texture, like the texture of my hair, but there is a little bit of a difference. My hair is kinky, the texture of the crochet is also kinky as well, but you know, there's still a little bit of difference, and the color is actually a little bit different. My hair is like color 2, the extension is color black, so you know, I still just found a way to make it work. Okay, Let me also add that I had to pin down the extension to my own hair because the video didn't catch where I pinned it down. I had to pin it down, so don't just overlook the part where you have to pin that extension down to your own hair so that it is really secured and it doesn't fall off, because this hairstyle is something you can rock for a week depending on how you can, you know, manage it and how well you can take care of your own hair. Okay, so for the front section, I just went ahead to divide the front section into 2 equal halves, and I also took some strands of the remaining crochet hair that was left. I detangled it, and as you can see, the texture is actually a little bit different from the texture of my own hair, even though both of them are actually kinky. So what I did was that I just inserted the crochet hair in between one of the sections. I went ahead to divide one section into 2 other sections, and then I placed the crochet hair in between both sections, and then I twisted one section first, and then I went ahead to twist both of them together, if that makes sense. If you do not know how to twist, I have a whole video on how you can, that teaches you how you can twist your own hair. The link is going to be in the description box, so after watching this video you might want to check that video out. Okay, so like I said, the texture of the crochet hair, the color of the crochet hair is a little bit different from the texture and color of my own hair, so it was important that I twisted my own hair very firmly. Okay, the outcome is going to give me something like passion twist kind of vibes. You get what I'm trying to say? So twisting my hair, very important, very firmly. Okay. So I went ahead to twist the other part as well, and I went ahead also to, you know, put everything in shape, brush my edges so that everything can look really nice, and I also went ahead to apply my makeup, and this is what we have at the end of the day. Just look at how gorgeous and how cute this hairstyle is. Okay, so I also went ahead to, you know, I added some beads to the ends of the twist, and this is what we have. This hairstyle started giving me the Fulani vibes, honestly, because of the bead and also because of the outfit that I chose. Everything started looking as if I planned to do the Fulani hairstyle. Okay, so I also went ahead to try out different ways that I can style it. I decided to put both twists up, and it gave me a different look entirely. Okay. So I decided to drop one of the twists as well, and I also like this one. I think this is my favorite look of this particular hairstyle. I particularly love this one. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you are going to recreate this hairstyle because it is super cute and it is protective. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.